Today going to replace brake and rotor for the Honda Pilot. This is the second generation from 2009 all the way to 2014 and 15, I believe. And this is the wide body. I did the engine replacement on this body style too. If you want to see a engine removing, then I got a video on that too. Alright, so doing brake and rotor replacement. So when you turn the wheel this way, you can take out the bolt on the back here easier. For two to do the caliper, the best one, this right here. This one is easier to do it than this one right here. Okay, this one right here is very good too, but a little bit harder for a dual piston. Okay, because dual piston, this only can compress one only, but you can use the brake pad to put it in the middle here, the used brake pad, and you can compress both. But this right here, because it covers for both piston, and you can do it easier than that one. But if you don't have any of this too, you can go renting one of this at Auto Part, or you can order online to keep it yourself to do at home. Or you don't have any of that, you have a flat screwdriver, I would say it works too. Stick your flat screwdriver inside here where the brake pad's at, because you're not going to use the brake pad anyway. So pry the piston to be closing all the way. Okay, keep prying until you see it and close all the way to the wall. Then that's all you need to do. Okay, so that's a simple way, and that is a brake changing without expensive tool. And you can do that at home without any of the brake pad tool right here. I would say renting at Auto Part, it's the same as free. So when you buy your brake pad or rotor, just get it from them, and it's like free for you. You pay for deposit, return it, and get your money back. Okay, this is number 19. And you have two. And then there's one more at the bottom. Okay, for this two screw right here, lightly you cannot do it with just hand. Okay, I would say 80% probably over tightening. You can't do it. Okay, and to do that, you have to have a punch. If you don't have a punch, I would say this way, you may be able to do it, because this way you push hard and then turn it like that. This is too tight. Sometimes you can't do it. When you do it, leave the caliper so it won't spin, because right now the caliper doesn't hold it, it's spinning. Okay, but I'm going to use my screwdriver in the bottom here to see if that will help. That will stop like that, so it won't turn, and I will see that will work. See it? Break my screw. So that means very tight on that. Okay? So punch is only way to go. Let me clean that out first, because I break the screw and that little piece in there. See, I can use magnet. There you go. And clear. If you have a punch, punch can do it. See that? How easy it is come off. So punch can take a lot of force and with the turn. So that is much easier than you do by hand. My screw stuck in here. Okay. Okay. And that's came off already. Super hot. I changing this because I test on the road test, create a vibration from your steering and also from your brake paddle. So this pretty much wore, and it's the vehicle is a 2014, but it had 140,000 miles already and never been changed. Never. I'm not sure they've been resurfaced already, but I doubt it. Probably they did. And I just buy a new one. New one's not that bad, about 60 bucks. So it pretty much same size. I already cleaned with the brake cleaner already. Just put it back here. Then hit a couple punch. So on this right here, if you tied it this way, it will pop out. The punch will pop out, and then okay, that's how you tied it. Same thing in reverse. If you pop out, they will reverse, and then you can punch reverse, you know. So very easy to use it. Put in the one in the bottom too. Set your torque to 53 foot-pound. 53 right there. Okay. You just flip this over. For this one right here, I like to use more than any other one because it's very convenient to when you're changing your rotor, always put new hat, because you know that the brake shoe is not evenly already, you know, so you have to always put new pad when you put new rotor. So don't forget to put the return pin. If you don't put return pin, then sometimes it does not opening your brake shoe, and you keep dropping your brake all the time. Okay, so you have to put the return pin on that. Put your torque, set your torque to 25 foot-pound. If you don't have a torque, you can go renting one, I believe. If you don't torque, that's okay. I believe that should be okay, as long as you tied it good. Not too tight, but this is bolt pretty big. It's a 2017 size 17 bolt. You're not going to, okay, break it because it's pretty big. That's it, and ready to put tires on. Thank you for watching. It's very simple job. You should know how to do it yourself, okay? And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Bye bye now.